Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep track of your immigration documents? Well, the UK has a solution for you. Starting on January 2025, the UK immigration website will be introducing some pretty significant changes to key immigration documents. They're making the transition from physical documents like biometric residence permits and passport endorsements to online visas. But why this change, you might wonder? It's all about streamlining and simplifying. No more carrying around cards or worrying about losing them. Plus, a lot of folks find those old-style cards a bit confusing. So, these new online visas are set to be the new cool thing. They'll do everything the old cards did, but in a way that's simpler and more convenient. So let's explore how these new online visas will simplify your life. Understanding the e-visa. Let's dive right in. What exactly is an e-visa? In a nutshell, an e-visa is an online record of your immigration status and the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. It's like a digital version of those old biometric residence permits or passport endorsements, but far more convenient and secure. How does it work? Well, to access your e-visa, you will need to create a UKVI account. This online portal will be your go-to place for all things related to your immigration status. It's here you can view and share your e-visa details whenever required. Now, you might be wondering, does updating your physical document to an e-visa affect your immigration status, or the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK? The answer is a resounding no. The e-visa is merely a new format for recording your immigration status, but it doesn't change the status itself or any related conditions. As for travel, from 2025 onwards, your e-visa will be all you need to enter the UK, along with your current passport, of course. The passport must be registered to your UKVI account and will be directly linked to your e-visa. So say goodbye to carrying around additional physical documents. However, do remember that until the end of 2024, you will need to continue to carry your physical document when you travel. So, in essence, the e-visa is a more modern, streamlined way of managing your immigration status, replacing the old physical documents with a secure, easy-to-access digital record. Next, we will explore the advantages of an e-visa. The advantages of an e-visa. Now, why would you want to switch to an e-visa, you may ask? Well, there are numerous advantages to using an e-visa, and today we're going to delve into some of them. Firstly, e-visas are secure. Unlike physical documents that can be lost, stolen, or tampered with, an e-visa is an online record that is always kept safe and secure. You no longer have to worry about losing your immigration documents or having them damaged. Secondly, they offer convenience. With an e-visa, you will not need to wait for or collect a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, but we'll let you know if you need to do this. The third advantage is ease of proof. It will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border and share your status with third parties like employers and landlords. No more fumbling through your bag to find a physical document. Just log into your account and voila, all your immigration information is right there at your fingertips. In addition to these, e-visas are also environmentally friendly. By reducing the need for physical documents, we're cutting down on paper waste and contributing to a greener planet. So, as you can see, e-visas are not only a step towards modernization, but also a leap towards convenience, security, and sustainability. They're designed to make your life easier, and who doesn't want that? But to access these benefits, you'll need to set up a UKVI account. So let's talk about that in the next section. Stay tuned. Creating a UKVI account. So, how do you get started with this new system, you may ask? Well, it begins with creating a UKVI account. This is your gateway to the world of online visas, and it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, navigate to the UKVI website. Here you'll find an option to create a new account. Click on this, and you'll be asked for some basic information. This includes your name, date of birth, and contact details. Don't worry, this information is strictly confidential and is used to protect your account. Once you've filled in these details, you'll be asked to create a unique username and a strong password. Remember to choose something that you can remember, but that would be hard for others to guess. After all, this account is your passport to the UK, in the digital sense of the word. Now you might be wondering, what's the purpose of this account? Well, The UKVI account is your personal hub for everything related to your immigration status. It's where you'll find your e-visa details, including the type of permission you have, its expiration date, and any conditions related to your stay in the UK. But it's not just a place to view your status. It's also where you can provide proof of your immigration status to others. This could be potential employers, landlords, or any other third parties who need to verify your right to be in the UK. This is done through the View and Prove service, which allows you to easily share your status when needed. In addition to this, your UKVI account also allows you to update your personal information. If you change your contact details, or there's any other significant change in your circumstances, you can update this in your account. This ensures that your e-visa remains linked to your current passport or ID card, and that your information is always up to date. So there you have it. Setting up a UKVI account is a simple yet crucial step towards embracing the new online visa system. It's a one-stop shop for viewing, updating, and proving your immigration status. Now that you've set up your account, let's see what you can do with it. Using the UKVI account. You've got your account. What's next? Welcome to the world of digital convenience. Your UKVI account is going to be your key to unlocking the future of immigration. It's simple, effective, and designed to make your life easier. Let's delve into its capabilities. Firstly, your UKVI account allows you to view your e-visa details online. This is a game changer. No more shuffling through papers to find that one document. Your e-visa details, including the type of permission you have, its expiration date, and any conditions related to your stay in the UK, are all readily accessible at your fingertips. It's like having a personal assistant, always ready to help you out. Next, the account gives you the power to be in control of your personal information. You can update your contact details or any other pertinent information whenever you want. It's all about making sure your records are accurate and up to date. Remember, it's your responsibility to keep your details current, but the UKVI account makes it as straightforward as a few clicks. Finally, your e-visa is directly linked to your passport within your account. This is a crucial feature, as it means your immigration status is tied to your current passport. It's important to keep your passport or ID card details up to date. If you get a new passport or ID card, you'll need to update your UKVI account accordingly. This ensures that your e-visa always corresponds with your current identification, making travel and status checks a breeze. Your UKVI account is not just about convenience, it's about empowering you to manage your immigration status in a more streamlined and efficient way. It's about giving you the tools to navigate the immigration process with confidence. And that's it. You're ready to navigate the new UK immigration system with ease. So what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of UK immigration and taken a good look at the shift from traditional systems to the more modern and convenient e-visas. This change, set to kick off on January 2025, is all about simplicity and ease. No more carrying around cards or worrying about losing them. We've learned that these e-visas will replace certain documents such as biometric residence permits, biometric residence cards, and passport endorsements. They will do everything the old cards did, but in a way that's simpler and more convenient. We've also talked about the many advantages of e-visas. They are secure, cannot be lost, stolen, or tampered with, and make it quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border. Plus, you can share your status with third parties like employers and landlords in a snap. And let's not forget the UKVI account. This is your gateway to your e-visa and a clear view of your immigration status. Once set up, you can use this account to view your e-visa details, update your personal information, and link your passport or ID card details. So, as we move forward into this digital age, remember that these changes are designed with you in mind. They're here to streamline the process and make your life easier. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button for more updates, and remember, these changes are here to make your life easier.